Play.
Hello, good morning everyone. Today me and my son are going on a short ride from Trivandrum. So we are going to cover a couple of locations that we are going to go by bike today. It's about a 1.5 hour distance that we are going to cover. Along the way you'll see a lot of greenery which by as usual the scene in Kerala that you will see greenery everywhere. And then places where we are going to go is two waterfalls is what I'm told, but being the monsoon season, I don't know if they're open or not, but we will try to cover. If they are open, we will show you how it looks like, and if time permits we will also try and cover Ponmudi, which should be closer from there. So this would be like about if I cover all three, it should be 2.5 hours one way. So first we'll cover both the waterfalls and see if we are able to get access to them, and then if time permits I'll also show you Ponmudi. But there are multiple videos of mine which actually covers a short distance bike rides from Trivandrum, and trust me, all of them are relaxing and soothing if you really like riding. So stay with us. I hope you like the video, and a thumbs up if you like it, please. Thank you. Hi. So we arrived at our first destination. This place is called Monkeyam Waterfalls. Okay, and we parked our bike at the entrance. So you got to get a ticket of 40 rupees per head and 20 bucks for the bike. And I'll also show you the last stretch where you're walking. See, right? You see that? That's how it is where you need to walk. Stairs, and it is actually pretty nice to walk. So these are some awesome places that you can actually ride to from Trivandrum. And I have seen a lot of videos where people have covered the places, but when I wanted to search the nearest places for bike ride, and then there are very fewer places that showed up. So I thought, to help my fellow bikers, let me do that and show you the places here. Yeah, I'm running out of breath right now. So let me stop talking and show you what I came here for. There, do you see it? There's a beautiful Monkeyam waterfalls. He's having fun. Like, wow, the feeling is heavenly. See this? How awesome is that? Right? Oh, that little water drop falling on you, and that beautiful. So we are at the corner now. I think this is where you can come up to. There's a barricade. So you can come and watch. I don't think you can actually take shower or something. A nice location for photo shoot. A refreshing feel. As always, this is a destination that you will never regret riding all the way. The way through which we came was also like awesome. Trust me. So we will wind up here and we will proceed to the next destination, which is Braemore or Braemore, right? That also is a waterfall. Now, this one is Mangayam. This is on the way to that. Braemore is about 2-3 kilometers ahead of this. So we will go there and see what they have to offer. Then I will let you know if we still have some time to cover Ponmudi. That would be also awful if we actually cover that. Stay with us. Alright, so we are proceeding to our next destination, which is Braemore. Braemore, that is what they call, I guess. So it's 5 minutes from here. If you look around me, so this is our bike. You saw the bike.
The bike.
So this over here is all Monkeyam Waterfalls. That's the entrance to Monkeyam Waterfalls, and this is the road we will take to go to Braemore. So see you in 5 minutes. greenery, lot of trees. The more you ride, the more you want it. So let's see what else this place has to offer. And I'll show you in a while. Bye. Again, now I told you we'll cover Brymore, but Brymore we could only go to a certain extent. The reason being, Brymore involves some sort of off-roading, a little bit of off-roading, where you have three sites to see and look at. One was the bungalow, second was a viewpoint, and three was a waterfall. But then we were only two on one bike, so I thought off-roading would be better if we came in a group, or at least we came in a car or a jeep or something. So we kind of came back from halfway. So I will cover another video for Brymore for you. But from there, 1 hour, we are on our way to Ponmudi Hill Station. Now what you see in the back is that scenic location from where we are climbing up the hill. This is the road that we are here. Alright, you saw that tactful driving of KSRTC bus driver. Now these bends, what you see, there are about 22 hairpin bends that you have before you reach the top of the hill, and that's where we are going right now, and hope we'll see some clouds. And but the whole place is like scenic. See that? Right, so I'll again come back to you once we go to the top. And these are some nice destinations that you can go for a bike ride or a car ride or a weekend with your family. A short trip from where I am in Trivandrum. It's about 1.5 hour a straight ride here. So it took about an hour to the Brymore, hour and a half, and from there Brymore another hour to here. So from here back home would be 1.5 hour ride. So it's like all 1.5 hour, 2 hours. So a Sunday morning you start off and you come here by lunch. You should be at home. So I guess it's worthwhile going for a ride like this to unwind yourself. I hope you will enjoy the video and let me show you how the top of Ponmudi looks like. Stay with me. Ponmudi hilltop. What you see behind me is where you get snacks. There's a toilet block and you also have a drinking water facility. along with this greenery, you would see clouds all around you, and you would feel like you're walking around the clouds. Walking among the clouds or walking in the clouds, I don't know how you say it, but basically you can feel the mist. You can feel that you're walking through some sort of cotton ball or something. It's a beautiful feeling. I mean, I wish I could have shown you that, but today I think the clouds are a bit shy. You have to see them from far away. Let me show you.
At some point security might stop and
You see people? They are everywhere. They are like climbing onto the every hill, climbing down every valley, sitting under every tree they see. I think people from urban have gone crazy seeing all the trees. Just like me, I never thought there are so many trees that existed. Well, here we are. So another biking destination. Ponmudi hill now. See there, the young guy already is ahead of me. So we are going to climb our way to the top. The breeze here is absolutely fantastic. None of the ACs in the world would match this. Though it looks like it is sunny. Pretty cold. Not the shivering cold, but that soothing cold. Right. So that is it for today's riding video. I wish I covered more. On Sunday, I think 3 locations is good enough, which is about 4 hours. So if you kind of are a fan of roaming around in the location, then you take another couple of hours, give it a good look, take a lot of pictures, spend an afternoon. Then as far as one was Mangayam Waterfalls, second was Braimore Estate. Braimore Estate we could not cover in detail, where you have 3 things to see there. One is that building, the bungalow that they call, and second is a waterfalls over there, and third was a viewpoint. But seeing it as a little bit of off-roading, I thought going alone would not be advisable, just keeping the safety in mind and some precaution. My son was tagging along with me, so I thought next time when we go with a group, we might actually go and see all the things around in Braimore. So my apologies, I could not show you the entire thing from Braimore, but Mangayam Waterfalls, Braimore and Ponmudi. So we started at about 7 o'clock in the morning. So here we are at 12 o'clock on top of the hill. It was 4 hours of ride straight, and we did stop for some snacks in between. So I think another hour and a half from here to house. So bye from us for this Sunday ride. We'll catch up soon with you. Okay, and please stay tuned for more fun bike rides around Trivandrum. Right, we will start with the shorter distance ones, and probably we will expand to 4 hours one way and 5 hours one way, which would be Vagamon, Tekadi, and further Idiki, Alape, and so on. So taking your leave now. We'll meet you soon. Stay tuned. Thank you, and subscribe if you have not subscribed yet, and like a video if you did like the content. Thank you.
bye.
Bye.